Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Morphe and today I am going to be doing a nothing over $15 makeup for you guys. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the NYX Professional makeup. This one is the micro brow pencil. I've been using this for years. This one is good. There's a ColourPop pencil as well. Mine is finished and I think I threw it away. So, but yeah, there's a ColourPop pencil. That one is also good as well. I was using that one before I actually went into the NYX one, but I did finish that one. I'm actually waiting for ColourPop to have like free shipping because there are a couple of things I want to buy, but they're not like enough for free shipping, if that makes sense. This is the Covergirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. I may just go with the D300 after all. Okay, so eyebrows are done. Hey, they're not sisters, they're cousins, or they're not twins, they're sisters. Y'all figure that part out. So I'm going to use the Too Faced Hangover Primer, and I'm also going to use the Porefessional by Benefit. I'm going to use the Porefessional on my pores. So I'm going to use this one here on the pores area. It's definitely very silicone-y. I have not tried this in so long. It's so crazy. I'm going to use the Too Faced Replenishing Face Primer, and I'm only going to put that on outside of my T-zones. I feel like it's definitely a moisturizing feel for sure. What is this? I swear every time I sit down to record a video, that's how a new pimple gonna come out. This is my Louise base and this one is in 5. I'm gonna use the Revolution with Tammy X, the collaboration. I have here a couple of foundations, so I'm gonna just try them all. Maybelline Superstay, and this one is in color 356 Warm Coconut. The Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm gonna try that one in 365 Nutmeg. Then I have here the e.l.f. foundation, and I have that one in Semi Sweet. So this is the Fit Me, this is the Superstay, and this is e.l.f. e.l.f. is too red, so that's out the way. At this point, I don't think I have a shade. I think there's one more shade I'm yet to try, actually. But they don't have it in stores. I think they only have it on e.l.f.'s website, so I do have to get that. I'm going to go with the Fit Me, but if it matches my face is darker than my chest, so it's definitely going to be dark for me overall. So first of all, I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Luminizer. I'll just use this to kind of like, you know, soothe it a little bit. I'm just putting them on like areas I would typically put highlight, and I'm hoping that they like pop through. This one for sure was like my go-to, this one and the NYX, but for some reason I think they just got like dark on me, and that was just the end of life. Like there's nothing else I could do about it, and I just took my L for real. Okay. What y'all think? How much do people put on their face with this? Like when you don't have a pump, how does this work? I have nothing bad to say about this foundations for sure. I tried the Superstay. I did try actually. It was too dark for me, but I didn't know that. The video is up somewhere. I didn't know that actually until there was a day I actually wore it to go to church, and I wore it out, and thank God I wore like is it an Alta neck, the one like, you know, and I wore one of those, and like you couldn't really see it for real, but it was terrible. Like ugh, it was so dark on me. Okay, I clearly put too much, to be honest. It's definitely matte. How does it look? It doesn't look so bad though. Like it actually, it's not giving me ashy. It's, you know, which is probably what I appreciate the most honestly about this. I'm also going to use the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. A little goes a long way. They're both really thick concealers, so I feel like this does dry down fairly quickly. How's 2021 already? I really hope and pray it's better than 2020 for you guys, for real, for all of us, myself included. Like that's my prayer. My prayer for 2021 is that it's better than 2020, because 2020 was pretty dark. Okay, 2020 was a lot. 2020 was like it was kind of like I was going back. Like I felt like I was going back. I felt like I was going backwards instead of forward. That's how 2020 felt like. And I'm using my e.l.f. sponge because I don't know, it's the best that I have. I mean, I have other sponges, but my gosh, I literally bought 3 of this because I was like, I Like, this is it. Like, this is what I need in my life. And the rest of my bun is up here. It's just really high. And I was like, I don't feel like messing with the camera. I usually wear this hair down, but I was like, I kind of want to go for a different look. Ish. Just a little bit. This hair is it. This hair was my fall hair. I can't wait for like my winter hair though, but this one is definitely my fall hair. I've had it in for like over a month now. And it's still standing. It's still standing. So thanks to Jasmine who did it for me. If you're in the Houston area and you want your hair did, keep me away for the hookup. The hookup. Perfect. I love the way this looks with the sponge. I typically use brushes for my contour, but I actually kind of like the way this works with the sponge. I'm gonna use my Sasha Buttercup powder. It's quite yellow though, I will say that. I don't understand. Like, I just feel like I definitely have had the Sasha Buttercup since I was in school, which is a long time ago, and it's not going anywhere. Like, it just doesn't want to budge. It doesn't want to go anywhere. Yeah, so let me go ahead and brush this off. To do that, I'm gonna use my NYX no filter powder. Swear, it's definitely hidden pan because I've clearly had this forever too. Look dry though. Woo! I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Blush palette. Actually, you know what? Let me switch it up because I've been using that forever now. The NYX Powder Blush in Desert Rose. I've not used this in a while, so I'm gonna use this one instead. Swirl. Okay. So I also learned the art of not putting it right here, but like doing it right there. You already know if you've been watching me, the True Complexion contour palette. I need to set my face. I'm going to be using the Morphe setting spray. I'm going to be using the Mented semi-matte lipstick. I've heard very good things about it. This one is in Pretty in Pink. This other one is called Peach Please. And the other one is called Dope Taupe. Alright, so I'm going to try Dope Taupe. Again, I look pretty ghostly. I'm going to use the MAC Chestnut. This is actually $15. I don't know how I feel. Like, what do you guys think? I like it because it's nude, but at the same, I like it. I like it because I would just probably put my NYX Stockholm on there. My my butter gloss, it's not butter gloss, my lip cream Stockholm. If I put that on top of it, I think I'll get what I'm looking for. I'm gonna try the Pretty in Pink. I know I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna line my lips. I already knew I was gonna like it. It's just very creamy. Like, I think there are times where I'll feel like, oh my gosh, it's about to break, and it's like, no, it's not breaking. It's staying right there, you know. So I mean, I knew I was gonna like it. So I'm gonna try the last one, not the least one, and that is in Peach Please. Okay, I don't know. I can't choose. If I have to choose between, why are we choosing? First of all, I would take this. I would take Pretty in Pink and Peach Please. I would take those two over the Dope. What is it? Dope Taupe. But if I do have to choose between Peach Please and Pretty in Pink, I will go with Pretty in Pink. It's really a slight difference. So this one is Peach Please and this one is Pretty in Pink. I think I prefer this one only because of the, like, it has a little bit more pink in it. You know, more color, just a little bit. This one is more nude. I would love the Peach Please as a nude for me, and I would love this one as just a little smidge bit of color. Okay. In regards to the mascara, I have here the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This one is the mini size. Okay, it's less than $15, and I also have here the NARS Climatic mascara under $15. I have not used falsies yet. I'm not ready. for that. I'm gonna actually compare this one with the Better Than Sex mascara that I have. I love this mascara. Ugh, love it. Oh, okay, so I could tell a difference immediately. I mean, they're both really good. All right, I know y'all can see the difference. Or y'all can see the. So I typically use my telescopic L'Oreal from L'Oreal for my bottom. The NARS, for some reason, the brushes are very like hard. Okay, they're very hard. Compared to the Better Than Sex, it's softer. I didn't feel a poke when I was doing my eyebrow, my lashes, but I felt like I was poking myself when I was putting on the mascara from NARS. I use this for my bottom lashes, and I use my Better Than Sex for the top lashes. I love the way obviously it looks. This is very small. This was what I was using for all of my lashes before I found out about the Better Than Sex. So if I was to choose, I would definitely choose my Better Than Sex over the NARS one. But again, I'm still trying them. This is my first time trying the NARS one, so we'll see what happens. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed me putting this on. Welcome to 2021. Okay, by the time you're watching this, it's definitely 2021, and yeah, I really just I pray that the new year brings you whatever it is that you want to bring upon yourself, and you know, I pray that it's better. I pray that it's healthier. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited for this year. I don't really know what's to come, but I'm excited. I'm definitely excited for the consistency on my channel. I'm excited for you guys being a part of my family, and just, you know, watching me grow. Just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please be a part of this family, and also share the video if you feel like, you know, somebody else could benefit from watching a video like this. And yes, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, don't forget to be kind to yourself as well as others around you. Bye.